This video will cover how to use an inventory data feed to create ads for all of your products. While advertisers in different verticals like retail, auto, or real estate all have different types of product data, the setup process is always the same. The first step is to identify where Adacado will access your data feed. The file can either be hosted on a URL or uploaded to an FTP account that requires login credentials. I'm going to use a Google Sheet to illustrate using a hosted URL. You can simply copy the URL and paste it into the field and click Fetch Sample. Adacado will automatically detect how your data is delimited, but if it doesn't, you can choose from the drop-down. The system then pulls the data from your data feed and automatically maps the different attributes to the correct columns in your feed. If you want to remove something, you can simply click the trash icon or drag it back down. The final step is to set the schedule for automated updates. You can set a specific time every day or increase the update frequency to as granular as every hour. Once the schedule is set, scroll up to the top and click Save. You'll be given the option to process the first 5 products for testing purposes, or if you're ready to launch, you can process all and hit Save. Now you can click on the Products tab on the left side of the page to see that all of your products have been uploaded into the system.